Woodpecker wants a waffle. Written and illustrated by Breen. One morning, Benny woke to the best tummy rumbling smell. So off he flew to investigate. Grand opening Moe's home waffle. Waffle, he read. What in the world is a waffle? The waffles smell good. The waffles look good. The waffles must taste good too, thought Bunny. I want waffles, Benny declared. Benny picked on the front door, tap, tap, tap. But instead of waffles, he got the boot. Next, he tried to sneak in. But instead of waffles, Benny got swept away. Benny tried a number of creative disguises. A monster, eyeglasses, pinata, hair, fruits hat, baby, milk carton. But instead of waffle, he got tossed into the trash. Whoosh! What are you doing? Asked Bunny. I'm wishing for waffles, said Bunny. The animals started laughing. That's ridiculous, Bunny said. One by one, the animals chimed in. Raccoons don't eat ravioli. Lizards don't eat lasagna. Owls don't eat oatmeal. Moose don't eat muffins. Frogs don't eat fries. Hawks don't eat hot dogs. Skunks don't eat scones. Coyotes don't eat cupcakes. Snakes don't eat snow cones. Turtles don't eat left turnovers. Bears don't eat bagels. And woodpeckers don't eat waffles. Chipmunks don't eat cheeseburgers. Well, why not? Benny asked. Why not? The animals grumbled, cripped, croaked, and whispered. They thought and thought and thought and thought. What could I do? Because I said so, said Bunny. I really don't have time for this said so nonsense, Benny said impatiently. Benny got right to work devising a plan to get some waffles. First, I will shoot off a cannon, then moonwalk, then break dance, followed by a stand-up comedy act with, then hit the ground juggling. A Broadway side final featuring fireworks. The animals were speechless, thought Bunny, was sure he heard some snickering. See y'all tomorrow, don't be late. The next morning, the animals gathered in the field by dinner to catch Benny's big show. No one was late, not except Bunny. As the animals waited patiently for Benny to arrive, the waitress in the dining room noticed something odd. The customers noticed something strange too. The animals were gathering outside. Everyone looked at the diner, stepped outside to look at the animals. Mo, home with a hot waffle breakfast. That's when Benny made his move. Sweet, said Bunny.